really opened my eyes when I discovered that there was a name for what I was experiencing. This sense of being disorganized and disconnected, and as if I might at any moment sort of dissolve into separate pieces. It's a very strange feeling. The first clues when I was younger were little posture issues that weren't kind of normal, but no one really explained what that meant, and a complete physical incompetence that meant that everything that all the other kids could do, I was rubbish at. I couldn't climb ropes, I couldn't throw balls, I couldn't catch anything. I couldn't swing a bat and successfully send a ball where I wanted to send it. And of course, I just thought of myself as nerdy and unsporty. I had no idea there was a reason for all of that. Learning about Feldenkrais gave me the tools to begin to heal my own discomforts as they emerged, to reverse my own joint pain, to reorganize my limbs when they went out of alignment and were painful and uncomfortable. And having those tools available all the time has been a life changer. Before I came to Feldenkrais, without realizing it, I felt like an odd collection of separate parts. Once I spent time exploring this process, I started to feel like a more integrated, well-connected, whole self. What I'm aiming for with this course, what I hope you will all discover, is that you can feel that way too.